Today, I'll show you how to use Incognito Mode in Google Chrome, a simple but powerful way to browse the web privately. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to open an incognito window and understand why and when you might want to use it. Whether you're shopping for gifts, researching sensitive topics, or just want a little extra privacy in your online travels. Let's get started right away. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. If you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, just find that colorful Chrome icon, usually down on your taskbar, your desktop, or maybe tucked away in your Applications folder. Give that a click and wait for Chrome to spring to life. If you already have Chrome open, no worries. You can follow along from wherever you're working. Now take a look up at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see a little icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More button. Go ahead and click on that. It's almost like the secret door to Chrome's extra features. When you click those 3 dots, you'll see a menu drop down with a bunch of options. Look for the one that says New Incognito Window. It should be near the top, and sometimes it'll have a little spy-like figure next to it just to catch your eye. Click New Incognito Window, and you'll notice a new browser window pops up. It might look a little different, usually darker, and you'll see a message at the top explaining what Incognito Mode does. In this mode, Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, or data entered in forms after you close the window. It's a bit like reading a book but leaving no thumbprints behind. Once you close that incognito window, your tracks are wiped clean on your device. Now you're ready to surf the web privately. In your fresh incognito window, you can start searching for whatever you want. Maybe you're researching a surprise birthday idea and don't want it showing up in your regular browsing history, or maybe you're logging into a second account on a site without signing out of your main one. Just click into the address bar, type your keywords, or paste a website address and hit enter. Remember though, Incognito Mode isn't a magic invisibility cloak. It doesn't make you anonymous on the internet. Your activity might still be visible to your employer, your school, or your internet provider. But for keeping searches, visited websites, and cookies off your own device's record, it does the trick beautifully. And if you ever find yourself unsure if you're really in Incognito Mode, just look for the darker color scheme or that little spy icon in the top corner of the window. And when you're done, just close the incognito window. Chrome will automatically clean up your browsing traces. That's all there is to it. You've now mastered the basics of Google Chrome's Incognito Mode. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share how you use Incognito Mode in your own life, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy private browsing.